You've come right up to see me. How can I help you? Are you enjoying our Christmas tree, Eric? What can I do for you? Does it involve food? I'll have to learn something else, won't I? Hey? Teach me something then, Eric. What does that mean? Eat? Does it mean you're hungry? Yeah? What does that mean? Love you. Would you like to show off our beautiful tree? Come here a sec. That's it. Now, do you want to tell everybody was that your tail? Do you want to tell everybody what a good boy you really are with this Christmas tree? Because you don't touch it, do you? You don't touch it, do you? You completely leave it alone, apart from random tail action. I have built up a collection of Christmas tree ornaments over the years. Random stuff. Look at this beautiful pair that I got last year. By adding a new ornament or two every year. And this is a new one this year. I might buy another new one this year. Eric, you don't really care about my Christmas tree ornaments, do you? Doesn't involve food, does it? Thanks for all your help with the Christmas tree, Eric. You were a great help. Did you stick your tongue out at me?